Hello children, welcome to my channel. 10th standard quadratic equation chapter 4. Today we will do the second part of exercise 4.1. Represent the following situations in the form of the quadratic equations. The first problem is the area of the rectangle plot is 528 meters square. The length of the plot is in meters is 1 more than the twice its breadth. We need to find the length and the breadth of the plot. Let us, what is the area of the rectangle? Let the length of the rectangle is, let the length of rectangle be x, and let the breadth of the rectangle be y. Therefore, here they have given that the length of the rectangle is twice 1 more than the twice its breadth. Therefore, L is equal to, that is length is equal to 2 times the breadth, 2 times the breadth into plus 1. That is becomes as 2y plus 1. L is here x. Therefore the area of the rectangle is rectangle is equal to L into B, length into breadth, that is equal to x into y. Here x is 2y plus 1, and y is, breadth is y here. Then multiply these two, what you will get here? 2y into y is 2y square, y into 1 is plus y. Area of the rectangle they are already given, that is A is equal to how much they gave? 528 m square. Therefore, substitute that 528 m square. Therefore, we have to represent in the form of the quadratic equation. Therefore, 528 is equal to 2y square plus y. Then here you have to write in the form of the quadratic equation, that is 2y square plus y minus 528 is equal to 0. It is in the form of quadratic equation. Next we will do the next sum, that is second sum in that second sum. The product of the two consecutive positive integers is 306. We need to find the integers. Then let the number be, what you mean by consecutive means, the consecutive of 1 is 2, consecutive of 3 is 4, like that you have to add 1 to the previous number, then you will get the consecutive number. Okay, let us start solution for that. Let the number be x. The consecutive of x is, consecutive number of x is x plus 1. The next number, the 1, if you add 1 to the, what is the consecutive of 1? You have to add 1 to this, that is equal to become 2. Consecutive of 4 is, if you add 1 to the 4 1, it will become 5. Consecutive means next number. Left hand, what they gave here? And product means you have to multiply these two numbers. That is, first number is, the product of these two numbers is x into x plus 1. That is equal to, what is they gave here? 306. X into x is x square. X into 1 is plus x. That is equal to 306. Transfer that 306 to that side, it will become negative. X square plus x minus 306 is equal to 0. It is in the form of quadratic equation. That is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Next, we will go to the next exercise, that is 4.2, 10th standard quadratic equation. Find the roots of the following quadratic equation by factorization method. The letters, that is a is, what is the coefficient of x square here? Coefficient of x square is root 2. And coefficient of x square is 2, that is a, and comma, what is the coefficient of b here? Coefficient of x is 7, that is b is equal to 7. And what is coefficient of c? That is c is equal to 5 root 2. What you have to do in the factorization method, you have to multiply first and last term, and you have to split the middle term in such a way that if you multiply the first and last term, you should get if you add those two numbers, you should get the middle term. That is, let us multiply first and last term. A into c, that is root 2 into 5 root 2. 5. That is, root 2 into root 2 is root 4 into 5. What is square root of 4? That is 2. 2 into 5, that is equal to 10. Then you have to split this. What are the factors of the 10 here? 10 factorize, 2 5s are 5 1s are. We will get only 2 factors, that is 2 and 5. If we add these two, a into c is 10 we got, product of the first and last term. And if we add these two, what you will get here? That is a plus c. A plus c should get the middle term, that is 2 plus 5, that is equal to 7. Therefore, what it becomes? Root 2x square, split the middle term, 2x plus 5x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. Then what is common in these two? The root 2 can be written as root 2, 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. Therefore, root 2x square plus 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2, root 2 into root 2 into x plus 5x plus 5 root 2. Here, in these two, what is common? Root 2 and x is common. Take out root 2 and x. Root 2 x. What will remain in the first term? X. In the second term, root 2. Then in these two, what is common? The common is 5 here. That is x plus root 2. Again, you can take it as x plus root 2 as a common factor. X plus root 2, and one more is root 2x plus 5, that is equal to 0. Then what are the roots here? What are the roots? Then x plus root 2 is also equal to 0. Then root 2x plus 5 is also equal to 0. Then x is equal to minus root 2, then 2x, root 2x is equal to minus 5, then therefore x is equal to minus 5 upon root 2. If you want, you can rationalize the denominator. After rationalizing, what you will get here? You have to multiply it by root 2 and divide it by root 2. X is equal to x minus 5 by root 2 divided by root 2 and multiplied by root 2, that is equal to minus 5 root 2 upon 2. These are the roots. What are the roots here? X is equal to minus root 2, x is equal to minus 5 by root 2. Therefore, roots are x is equal to minus root 2 and x is also equal to minus 5 by root 2. We will go to the next sum, that is exercise 4.2, fourth one, that is 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8 is equal to 0. You have to remove here 1 by 8, therefore you have to multiply on either side, on both sides by 8. Then let us multiply 8 into 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8, that is equal to, value will not change here, therefore you will get 0. 8 into 2, 16x square, 8 into minus 8x, then when you multiply it by 8 upon 8, it will get 1 here, that is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. Now what is the coefficient of x square? That is a is equal to here, a is equal to 16 and b is equal to minus 8 and c is equal to 1. C is equal to 1. Then when you have to multiply a and c here, a into c is equal to 16 into 1, that is equal to 16 only. Then factorize this 16. 2 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are and 2 1s are. Then when you add a plus c, you should get the middle term, minus 8 you have to get. Then what you have to do here? A into c, 2 into 2 and 2 into 2 you can take. A into c is equal to, that is minus 4 into minus 4, that is equal to plus 16, because minus minus will become plus, that is plus 16. And if we add these two, a plus c, that is equal to minus 4, again minus 4, that will become minus 8. We got the middle term. Therefore split this, 16x square minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. Then in these two, what is common? 16 and 4 4s are 16. 4x is common. What will remain in the first term? 4x, first term 4x minus 1. And in these two, nothing is common. Therefore, you can take it as minus 1 as a common. That is 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. Then 4x minus 1 again common, take out that. 4x minus 1 into 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. Then 4x minus 1 is also equal to 0. 4x minus 1 is also equal to 0. And this 4x minus 1 is also equal to 0. Then 4x is equal to 1. Therefore, x is equal to 1 by 4. Here also you will get 4x is equal to 1. That is, therefore, x is equal to 1 by 4. What are the roots here? Roots of the equation are of equation are 1 by 4, comma 1 by 4. Then let us go to the fifth sum, that is 100 square. 100 square of 10th standard exercise 4.2, 100 square minus 20x plus 1. Here we have to multiply first and last term. What is the coefficient of x square here? That is a. A is equal to 100 and b is equal to minus 20 and c is equal to 1. We have to multiply first and last term, that is a into c. A into c is equal to 100 into 1, that is equal to 100 only. Then what are the factors of 100 here? Take out the factors of 100. 2 50s are, 2 25s are, and 5 5s are, 5 1s are. If you multiply these two, you should get the 100. If you add these two, you should get the middle term, that is minus 20x. Therefore, what you have to do? 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10. Therefore, minus 10 into 10. A is minus 10 into minus 10, that is equal to plus 100 it will become. Therefore, A into C is equal to 100. If you add these two, A plus C, what is A plus C here? A plus C should be minus 20. Therefore, minus 10, that is equal to minus 20. Split the term now. 100x square is equal to, splitting the middle term, 10x minus 10x plus 1 is equal to 0. In these two, what is common here? 10 tens are 100. Therefore, 10x is common. Take out 10x. Then 100, 10x again. 10x will remain minus 1. Here, nothing is common. Take it as minus 1. 10x minus 1 is equal to 0. Here, 10x minus 1 again common. Take out 10x minus 1 into 10x minus 1 is equal to 0. 10x minus 1 is equal to 0 and 10x minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, 10x is equal to 1. Therefore, x is equal to 1 by 10. Here also we will get 10x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 by 10. Therefore, roots of the equation are 1 by 10 and comma 1 by 10. Thank you children. Subscribe my channel. Again we'll go to the next exercise, that is 4.2. In 4.2 only we'll do few other sums. Thank you.